Welcome back to the garden. Today, I gotta plant my garlic. It is a little bit late. If I were in Idaho, it would definitely be super late getting these started. But it's 60 degrees during the day, 40 degrees at night here. So it's not really that bad. I mean, I'm in a long sleeve shirt, but it's so comfortable. I got the sun shining through the tunnel. Everything's going really well in the garden. The tomatoes are still alive. We've had a couple frost incidents, but they were mild frosts, not like hard frost. So not a big deal, just covered them and they're still alive. I did pull all the tomatoes off and they're in the house trying to get red. But today I got to get the garlic started because tomorrow is going to be so busy. Hey, what are you doing? Tomorrow. Actually, that makes me think of a saying. So there's a saying that evil prevails when good men do nothing. And that saying is full of crap. Because good men would never stand idle as evil's perpetrated on another person. They would stand up, they would fight, they would do something, they would say something. So I heard this saying altered years back. Evil prevails in the absence of good men. So as we start dealing with the evils happening in Idaho, we are going to be super busy tomorrow. So today I got to get the garlic started. So I am going to do this variety of garlic in this bed. I get them from Garlic Gods in Idaho because I was from Idaho. This is where I bought my garlic. And so I'm just going to continue buying from them. It's good garlic. I love it. I just didn't bring anything with me. So we're going to plant these today. So I got my garlic and I need my dibber. So I'm going to go find my dibber. All right, got my dibber. So my dibber is the best tool for getting things into the ground, whether it be starts that I'm transplanting or garlic I'm putting in the ground. So I use my dibber a lot. I'm gonna get started. Well, that's one row. I have one more to do. Two other varieties. I did 3 this year because I wanted to try a few out to see what works best here in Arizona. And when I got them, they were all okay. Good quality garlic, good stuff. Like I said, Garlic Gods. I definitely like them. Great customer service. I actually called them because we were going to be out of town during the time that they were going to originally ship. And so I called her and she answered the phone. So great customer service right off the bat. And I told her that we were going to be out of town. So she made a note on our account to make sure that it was shipped once we got back into town. And it was, it was perfect. So I gave her a call again when I got home, let her know you can ship now, and it got shipped and I got it, and I'm very happy with the product that I get from them and the customer service. And customer service is usually higher on my list than the product itself, because if I can reach somebody and talk to somebody, usually any problems that I have are resolved. So it's great to have the ability to know that customer service is available. So, all right, I'm going to get started on the next row of garlic and get that done and progress on with my day, because I got a few more things to do before we start tomorrow. And then once that happens, it's going to be a busy time for us, and you may not see a whole lot of videos, maybe some gardening stuff, seed starting stuff, because I still need to do all those things. But I'm not going to have time to do the extra stuff that I would originally do if I wasn't really busy. So we'll see you again next time, whenever that happens to be. Bye.